Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to have a look at Port Benidorm. Going to walk down there, have a look how they're doing. See a couple of the bars over the road there are up for rent. I think it's rent they're up for. Big bar in the corner there. Just couldn't hold on. So we'll have to see if anybody takes them over. When things get back to normal, I suppose that'll be rented out again. You can just see the plaza. I don't know if that's up for rent. I'm not too sure about that one. It's a big place, that one, so we'll need a few back in there to reopen that one. Just coming into shot now is the new supermarket over the road. There's the building site, Port Benidorm. Not a lot to see at the moment. They're just putting the foundations in. There's a Triangle pub. That's definitely up for rent at the moment. It's a shame, but just couldn't hang on. Keep paying money out without getting any money back. You can't do it. There it is, Port Benidorm. When they reopen, the work on the other half of it will stop through to winter, I think, and then carry on in the winter time and get that finished for next year, I think it is. Nice looking hotel. What people have told me, a very nice hotel to stop in as well. I had quite a few people on the comments so they've stopped there. It's absolutely brilliant. Got the blue glass on the balconies. The palm trees. That level where we're looking now is where the restaurant is. And there's a reception area. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to buy me a beer, my PayPal link is underneath. There's a hello there in many languages. Some of the gardens. And a seating area there. Normally, I think there's seats in there. Tables and chairs. Have a drink out there. Trying to find the sign now. I can't really see too much of the camera because of the sun. There you go, Port Benidorm. Well worth considering if you're thinking of coming out for a holiday. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'm near enough up to 3,000 now. I think I need another 12 as the video's going out. If you want to see more from Benidorm, click the video that's coming up next. You'll see another one of my videos. We'll see you on the next one then, guys. Bye.